The benefits of AmiNo are: 1, your plants are going to stress less. 2, you're going to allow your plant to do their basic metabolic processes. And then finally, you're conserving energy. And as we conserve energy, we can build a healthier plant. AmiNo is a unique product in that it can fit in just about any pass that you make across your field. Whether that be at planting time, in furrow, amino acids are great for your biology that's in the soil and also the plant. If you're making herbicide passes, it's a great fit there because it helps to provide the plant with protein as it metabolizes that herbicide. When we're in season and we're hitting stressful periods, AmiNo is a great product and a great fit as a foliar to kind of help settle that plant down. And then along with that, giving it a little bit of nitrogen to get it through the season. AmiNo is a great fit late season as we're trying to finish out a crop, mitigate stress toward the end of its life cycle. And it's a great ride along with the fungicide, not only to help bring in the fungicide. So amino acids are electrically inert, and so it's easier for them to get into a plant's cell. And so whenever we apply an amino acid, it brings along the other things that we're applying with it. The great thing about AmiNo is there's not really any watch outs with the product. It's not a chemical, so you're not gonna have chemical tie-ups with the other things that you've already got in your tank. The only thing that we will say, and that we've learned from experience, is that we don't want to apply AmiNo with full sun or with BioCast Max in the tank. We've seen adverse effects with that versus positive effects. If we split it up and spray them at different times and apply them at different times, that's when you're gonna get to see the benefits from those 3 products. With AmiNo, you're getting amino acids, but you're also getting trace elements. And those trace elements are actually behind some of the conversion of nitrogen and stress mitigation. And so those elements are cobalt, molybdenum, and nickel. And cobalt is behind ethylene suppression. It's a natural ethylene suppressor. As the plant gets stressed, it starts to accumulate ethylene. And some ethylene is good, but as that accumulates and goes overboard, that's where we don't want to go. So if we can mitigate that in season, you're going to help to kind of calm that plant down. Molybdenum is behind nitrate reductase. And so what that does is it takes nitrate to nitrite. And so that's going to start your nitrogen conversion process within the plant. Without molybdenum, you're not able to reduce nitrate to nitrite. So there's going to be this bottleneck, this buildup of nitrate within the plant, which is going to cause stress and it's going to invite pests to your crops. So along with that, you've got nickel, and nickel is behind the urease enzyme. So the urease enzyme breaks down urea into ammonia and CO2. So if we've gone out and we've applied UAN 28, you're getting that nitrate form and you're getting urea. And both of those need to be broken down and converted so we can process that into a protein. Because at the end of the day, when we apply nitrogen, that plant wants protein. It doesn't want nitrate, it doesn't want ammonia, it wants protein.